Hello, good evening. Today I'm going to talk about work, and this is Model 6, work and energy topic. So first of all, what is work? Work is the energy transferred to form an object via application of the force along the displacement. It is the simplest form. It's often represented as the product of force and displacement. A force is said to be positive work if, when applied, has a component in the direction of the displacement of the point of application. A force does negative work if a component has opposite direction or displacement as a point of application force. For example, when a ball is held above the ground and then dropped, the work done for the gravitational force of the ball as it falls is equal to the weight of the ball multiplied by the distance to the ground, a displacement. When force F is constant, then the angle between the force and the displacement is like theta, in the work done is given by weight is equal force cosine of the angle. Scalar vector, well, work is a scalar quantity, so it has only one magnitude and no direction. Work transfers to the energy from one place to another and from one to another. If the SI unit of work is joule. The SI unit of work is joule because it's named after the 19th century English physicist James Prescott Joule, which is defined as a work required to exert a force of the Newton through displacement of 1 meter. For example, if a force of 10 newtons acts along a point that travels 2 meters, then W is equal to F. Well, I'm gonna write it down better. You okay, guys? I'm gonna draw right here, just on the side. Okay. If a force it's equals to 10 newtons, and travels 2 meters per second, in 1 second, 2 meters, I'm gonna write it like that, then W is equal to, so work, F S 10 newtons 2 meters equals to 20 joules. And this is approximately the work that's done lifting a 1 kilogram object from the ground to the level of one person's head and against the force of gravity. The work is double after lifting twice the height and the weight and the same distance of lifting the same weight as twice the distance. Work is closely related to energy. The work energy principle states that increase of the kinetic energy of a rigid body is caused by an equal amount of positive work done and to the body of the resultant force acting on the body. Conversely, if a decrease in energy is caused by equal amount of negative work by the resultant force, thus the net work is positive, then the particle kinetic energy increases the amount of work. If the net work is done negatively, then the particle kinetic decreases, and so it goes. From the second Newton law, it can be shown down that work on a free, like no fields, rigid, no internal degrees freedom body is equal to the change of the kinetic energy corresponding to linear velocity and angular velocity of the body. So there's gonna be quiz of Monday, so I hope you study. There's a canvas and we have tutoring sessions in the evening. Thank you very much.